Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX guys, first generation, so that should cover year 2006 to year 2011 guys. And if you have problems with your cigarette lighter or power outlet guys, also known as power outlet or cigarette lighter not working guys, the socket, let's say you try to charge your phone or something and it doesn't work, we'll explain guys where to find the fuse. Now you have 4 different power outlets and you have 4 different fuses guys, so we'll explain all that in this video today. It will be a video for all of them, all 4, so make sure you stay until the end. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys, and let us know if the video was helpful. Let's start on it now. So let me explain now guys quick, okay, where all your 4 power outlets are. One guy guys is right here, okay, second one, okay, let me open the big thing, is right there. Then you have guys one more in the rear, okay, let me pull the seat up, okay, right there. And after that guys, last one is in the trunk on the left side. Okay, it's on the left side, like right there. So let's explain guys which fuses now you need to check. You need to guys open the vehicle, the hood of your vehicle. Okay, and right next to the car battery you have guys a fuse box. Okay, there is right here one notch, okay, that we need to push back, and at the same time pull the fuse box cover up. You can go ahead and disconnect the, okay, you can see the cover just by pulling it, and it comes out of the 2 hinges. Now, good thing about it is guys, you have the fuse numbers on the back side of the cover. Bad part, okay, you're not going to have guys actually what the fuses are for. So we'll need to do all that explanation today. So the first fuse guys that we need to check is fuse number 17 guys. Fuse number 17, okay, and I'm talking about this fuse right here. It's a JK fuse, okay, this one over there. If you need replacement ones guys, we'll have them listed in the description of the video below, please check it out. So let me show you now. I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. Okay, let's see if I can fit in here with the pliers, because it's very limited room, or I will need to use screwdrivers to gently pry it up, because it's very limited room guys, and I don't want to lose them. Okay, perfect, this is the fuse. How you tell if it's burned? Usually you look inside and you can tell if the element is burned. In some rare instances you will not be able to see if it's burned. So what I would recommend guys, get a voltmeter. So if you're on the market guys for a good voltmeter, consider this one. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. It comes with the true RMS. It's amazing meter guys, for really good price what it can do. So I'll get to home testing, then we're going to click select to test connection. Okay, and now let's go up with the camera a little bit. Okay, perfect, so you can see the screen. Okay, if the fuse is good guys, it's going to show me 0, okay, and it will beep. And I'm going to touch each of those, okay, one on the left side, one on the right side, and we'll see what happens with the, okay, with the connection over there. Nothing. This is a bad fuse guys. I'll grab a new one quick. Okay, and the new one now. Okay, let me show you again what happens with the new one. Okay, shows 0 guys, and you can hear the beep. So that was our bad fuse, but I will explain guys where else you can find 3 more fuses guys for your power outlets. Okay, this is a 20 amp fuse so far. Now the other 3 guys, okay, it's actually fuse number 64. Okay, it will be fuse number 64, okay, 65 and 66. So looking this way will be these 3 fuses guys are for power outlets as well. Check them out. If you need to test them, you remove it, you test it, but that's pretty much the whole procedure. Thank you for watching guys, and see you guys next time.